PDYN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether PDYN AI stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Just looking at this, man, 61% gains is phenomenal. And I'm actually very intrigued to taking this thing even higher. I mean, for context, it's a very similar approach to all the other ticker symbols that you see right here. All I really am waiting for is another long, but the only way that I actually will take that long is if the price gives me a clean 5-minute double break. Why 5? I mean, it can be 15 or 10 minutes, doesn't really matter. All I would really love to see is just my price giving me following my rules of the edge, because again, I've refined this over 33,000 videos, almost 34,000 videos over the last 4 years. So, I mean, at least I've seen the success with it, you know. So if it comes down and gives me a double break, then only then I'll take things up. Everything else is noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.